Tired of wrestling with YouTube Analytics and wishing you could see the bigger picture? Let's unlock YouTube Insights within Google Data Studio, even with its quirks, in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Google Data Studio and create a new, blank report. A window will immediately pop up prompting you to connect to a data source. Search for YouTube Analytics in the connector list. Click on it. This will prompt you to authorize the connection using your Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Select the appropriate account. Now, choose the specific YouTube channel you want to pull data from. After selecting your channel, you'll be presented with a few basic report options. Ignore them and click the blue Connect button in the top right corner. Data Studio automatically populates with default metrics and dimensions like views, impressions, and video titles. However, here's where the limitations kick in. Data Studio's YouTube connector offers a limited set of metrics and dimensions compared to YouTube Analytics itself. You might find crucial metrics like audience retention or revenue data unavailable directly. Sadly, that's the biggest drawback. But don't despair. You can create calculated fields within Data Studio to derive some missing metrics. For example, engagement rate can be created by dividing the number of comments by the number of views. Although it's not perfect, it's a start. Now, at charts and graphs, experiment with different visualizations like tables, scorecards, and time series to display your YouTube data effectively. Remember that because of YouTube's limitations, you may need to get creative. Use filters to narrow down your analysis. You can filter by date range, video title, or other available dimensions to focus on specific aspects of your channel's performance. Data Studio offers basic anomaly detection, which can help you find sudden drops in views. If you see that, try looking at your metrics from YouTube or a third-party analytics tool to see what is causing the issues, as Data Studio is limited in what it can tell you. In conclusion, while Data Studio offers a convenient way to visualize YouTube data, be aware of its limitations. Explore workarounds like calculated fields and consider supplementing it with other analytics tools for a complete picture. Now go and unlock those video insights.